Hi and welcome back to another video. So today I am going to teach you how to change club in FIFA Mobile. So first what you need to do is to simply launch your FIFA Mobile app. And after you load it, you will see this on your screen. And on the top right corner of your screen, you will see a setting icon. You will need to click that. And after that, you will see a select crest. And there is a pen icon there and you need to click that. And after that, a various team will appear on your screen and you just need to select which team you will want to play with. And then here I will select Arsenal and then just click select and then click the left top corner of your screen after you do that. And after a few seconds, you will see on your home screen that my team is now Arsenal. And that is all for this video, and I hope you learned something, and if you did, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.